Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. It's Monday, August 15th, and it was a mixed day in the markets. Let's take a look at Grain Edge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn was up 5.5 cents, but beans was the leader to the upside, closing at the high at 10.09 on November beans, up 27, and Chicago wheat, after being up early in the session, ended up a little bit lower, closing down 1.5. News today was a little light. We're still sort of jockeying around after Friday's big crop report, although the market has been trading in a direction that is not consistent with Friday's big, massive crops. Instead, we've been moving higher, probably in light of some short covering after the failed attempt by the market to take out new lows, and also more speculation that probably the August crop report was overstated, especially in the case of corn, where people are still skeptical that we will see a 175 bushel yield. But other news out today: Saudi Arabia firmed up their deal to buy 650,000 metric tons of hard red winter wheat. That comes from optional origin sources. The U.S. is on that list, but it's the seller's option as to where that grain will be delivered from. Other news out today: India looks to be having a good year for soybean production after last year's miserable crop. They came in last year at 6.9 million metric tons of soybeans. And keep in mind that India as a country is a major consumer of vegetable oils, and so this is an important number. But most people are looking for a very, very big recovery from last year's bad crop of 6.9 all the way up to this year's crop, potentially being as high as 9 to 10 million metric ton. Other news out today: we had Monday's usual round of weekly export inspections. This was a mixed bag of results. Also, another negative factor for beans, but the bean market continued to shrug it off. We saw soybean export inspections only at 746,000 metric tons, while seasonally good, still below expectations of 800 to 1 million metric tons. Corn coming in within line of analyst expectations of 1.1 million metric tons, and wheat having a very good week, coming in above expectations at 625,000 metric tons. Other news out today: there was the NOPA crush numbers. This was the estimate for weekly or for monthly soybean crushings in July, and NOPA's survey of members shows a below par number for July, coming in at only 143.7 million bushels versus expectations that were 146.7, although the low end of the range 142.6 up to 150. So overall, the news today was not very favorable for beans, but the bean market continues to shrug it off and move higher. That's kind of counterintuitive to what's happened the last 2 weeks, where we've had very good news for beans in terms of demand, but the market punished it lower. So it's a bit of counter-cyclical trading going on right now. Taking a look at the soybean chart, from a technical standpoint, we talked about 10.06 being the upside resistance here, and we were able to clear that today and actually close at the high end around 10.09 on today's close. So 10.06 will provide underlying support from this point going forward. And then the next sort of major test up, if you're looking for a recovery to continue, is around 10.23. So overall, that's what we're seeing as sort of a technical recovery right now. Obviously, traders are exiting some very heavy short positions and trying to get flat here after Friday's failed attempt to take out new lows on fresh bearish news. That's all we've got for today on Grain TV. As always, if you want to learn more about how you can be a trading client, visit us online at grainhedge.com. As a Grain Edge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainhedge.com to become a client.